Sor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kidong Tray Bang bagi dekat Chongga Center of Medical and Sales Representative Union North East Region. Haga khandai trik unaitung arajar arpusan, kle shimbin talang, hanong ba shilong, haga junga ki kablalong hagri India barok kuwai, ban persya iki polisi trikam jaga sorkar pedeng. Ujanas Secretary Kamigalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Employees Union uba Edward Lynching haga junga karan bakilat patai kubor uliat hu bagi jingdawa kidikimat kibalas lembha yaki baka sorkar pedeng kampatla ban penurlong hadu kini kisngi. Kadbau President Jaga Center of Medical and Sales Representative Union North East Region Upartha Dem uliat hu baka jing persya kalong halor ke jing kendu jing jang ginong tray nakada ke jing wanra jaga sorkar pedeng yaki angi rule kiblong persya yaki nong tray.
Long live, long live. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Our demand, just demand. Just demand, just demand. Our demand, just demand. Just demand, just demand. Our demand, just demand. Just demand, just demand. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Our part, right part. Right part, right part. Our part, right part. Right part, right part. Our part, right part. Right part, right part. We demand to strengthen public sector bank and insurance company. We demand, we demand. We demand to strengthen public sector bank and insurance company. We demand privatization of bank and de-investment in LIC. We demand, we demand. We demand to stop privatization of bank and de-investment in LIC. We demand, we demand. We demand to stop 100% FDI hike in insurance sector. We demand, we demand. We demand to stop 100% FDI hike in insurance sector. We demand, we demand. We demand insurance adequate recruitment. We demand, we demand. We demand to ensure adequate recruitment. We demand, we demand. We demand to ensure adequate recruitment. We demand, we demand. We demand to stop outsourcing and contract jobs. We demand, we demand. We demand to stop outsourcing and contract jobs. We demand, we demand. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Waka Unity, long live. Long live, long live. Our demand, just demand. Just demand, just demand.
Khi jadi balak pat kapui teli rate union japa di borakoi bo ini dia khi belum berpersa yang dulu dan sarkar na terbenta dan benrung yang di kenjaan di bakta hampam di nongtre pengikut menta orang gini di senam bayar abang dia khi nado jadi sedang ada hak Islam kita dia khi di nongrap ko Delhi nak kau dia kemau kata profet baik di kemau kata dia kata ka jingi dan sibun di jingi ke sarkar mu dan wara kita farm loss kita yang nongrap dengi akan ke bentar jang notis kampam ko ka jelang demi kam ka impact hamduna nomor boleh bahangnya di corporate houses di Bandar wah kawai kata dekat jingon tak kalau tak ikut trip union kebabot daki wanra ikan nika ikut codify ya kita di labor codes di amban simplify hingga penwet pat iginong tray kamba mentah kemudian organized sector ngingi dan apa organized sector apa ini la register yang ini apa trade union act lalaki wanra ikini ki union ka ikut ibat mai at tak sibun baki nong tray hakimu ni ki zakat tray inumla ban form ya ka union watla da kari ke jongi constitution yang kari ka article 19 ya constitution jongi kalau sya ban form ya kan kini ke association lami union the union kamut ke jing don jengi kamut the union kamut ban protect ya ki right ya ki hap dong ki parang trai ngai haba bon hakani ka kat benang ya kanang ya mai jing ki bon mi tu balai man kesenam ka di bendon hakano kandon ke jing ki ba lingba ki Central Trade Union la try ki kumka Trade Union ka barimtam hapo India ka ka All India Trade Union Congress nang ta kasawan ka INTOC Indian National Trade Union Congress kini ki nongelam jang ki ilai jengai ya kari jongi shop kanwan manginyo la iloy kadon kanika Trade Union Act of 1946 di kini berapa fight la persang hiban banora na kaliang naki kibai kiri namar ni kat banang ya por menta kenda warra kanika labor code temut extended hours mo bengin tray kala nang hamjrok jaka bengin tray kakum ka kanika Industrial Dispute Act jadi kinong tray kilaban tray panghaduk prakta kalau kilawang ra gini la table ni jaga ni ka labor code kamot kinong tray kinhap ka management la ni ka kanono ka jaka ka bang tray kalaban extend kalaban penjelan ya ka kom tray kam na haduk sipo kenta kawai kenta ngimla ban ngingin ngimdon su kahok ban yahi ban ya persa ya kenta ramut nangpa don sakibenta kiba government ka aibor ya kini di kinong aikam ha yaki employer ban ya kata ka hire and fire ni sukot ladap beno dem ni persa juru hampam ya kajingwal ya kajing mu jong sarkar ban pun penwara da kita outsource contractual hanglo kamdon su ka job security kamdon su ma ka job security ka pamot way for way nong na ko ka kari rok way jela ka jongi idejin ban yo ka kam ka jam ka bukyang ka bubit menta ladang keli bahasibun kena sama are ban kena sama ki song sama bah balai kumya yo beri mo yong ba tentang kam dan jam ini pet hot sisa ka sisa hi kata ba buon ki kena jongi jap dengan puli her me kam ka jam tentang oi wala kas ni sutu wat nimong ba ka sarkar kalaban man wala ya ki kam ban cenderung kam sarkar baik ni sinakan kam create job sinai kam akan aku kam mentang ikan sepang ke industri dong yang ni kum kinong try ngingil yang kakam jam mulai pepling pet nak sama ni ke tang mentau senam ngadu Januari hadu Julai hatang hajela Maharashtra dan long spa samping nongwat nongrak kisusai boleh laring pet aku hajela jong ni nongrak ni buat syak ngat dor boleh ka government di bendon din ka regulated price mo lagi pa kum ha dawai da shin do lain do tax di dawai that is life saving drug dan GST upon GST ha tax halot tax kita ki jing kita ni punya ko mo kum kinong song na kari demta habang yakran ang di corporate banks ini di corporate bank tiba borok ko ke jelang idon corporate banks dan wage benta jong dari India dan kita three tier structure pembuat primary agriculture cooperative society di district central cooperative bank nang ta ba state cooperative bank ni hang ni ko jelang jong ni idon actually they get the two tier structure banging dia dai baik tapi primary agriculture cooperative societies. Ya. Ya kata bertang, ini structural change. Apa? Reserve Bank of India sirkular ketika bakla bumi au afajar atwe. Adin Sun Post number All India Bank Employees Association KFI labu kejeng ko support Ministry of Agriculture and Food gas sedang baru Menteri dengan chairman ba the Ministry of Cooperation kepa don mentakan sa baik benia don kami akan ke structure of change panggil in merge ya ki district central cooperative banks but ke state cooperative bank jing merge ya kan yaki kan penting ya inongrap memang abangi baik ke bank hoi inongrap mentaki yo sud abaki sim ya kan ramrap bobot ka kisan kredit card kadai new person de lada kadai ka state cooperative bank one ka district central cooperative bank nang ta kan one sa primary agriculture kani gin jing airam kalong pateng de kani ka bang kapag bay pisan tong di ban yo hi kindak nong re dosie abakado kampoy gumpa kalmot inongrap bajinjar di inongrap Gabang iya keren sepanggan ika recapitalization. Recapitalization manus nam man keluar ni man berdon gani man berdon ke budget allocation nakalian di central government ka recapitalization ka ai ti nationalized bank ya ki cooperative bank ado muka uju kamyo ya ka recapitalization kadi ka berdon kam nang kabang kajungi gadi ngingi dan hapo jela mo kum cooperative bank sidot pang hapo jela di nang manginup la ban ai jing tersan susu ngabrak aka lain kita punya soft loan jadi kita dibakam jam kasut takama inongrap ini kintil ini pek ya kan ka bayadai bak ka tax government central government sim tax na nangi tax kini kalau lakum nomor adu life 4% na net profit lang ni hapan siyo hoy kadi kamram ni man siyo kamangi kepat ya ka central government ba kan penhiar kanya kata hajna na ki cooperative banks maki cooperative banks hindi gibahe jadi gibarit langi pek kumangnya apa sulong ni kadang sulong cooperative urban bank hiru kimji yo ya kata asistan semua kajing yarap pisah nakaliang dari sokar lakdi nakaliang dari sokar jela lani nakaliang dari sokar mereka kita ki rules ki regulation ki one link ba ka banking regulation act pan api try kambay ni hab siapa ya takasut lam da yo jing mun fai habang ni siu sut ni di ban yo jing fai ong ni hab kumolong to kumengi pek nuksa to ngi kum kajak kum dia ngim siu sut mo ngai ki basiu sut lu timyo jing mun fai oi ki yo kam ka jam tak apa ngai ham kong sat kalau lah ka bentar nak samla jing ni makin yo ya jam lak lambak lah kum nu kumba silak nyo ko hajar ngut kita ki post ki balak apa ki nationalized bank yakin dia menta lingba kan ga IIBPS ba ya dei bat ki nationalized bank apa ki don kambriyo ya inden long ba inden lingba kata ga IIBPS ketika IIBPS paling don kambriyo kan ai arngut takam kal akhya kampam di branch ini di nationalized bank dan kita tanya tentang unding private bank concentrate tang hasor dari kunjung ni hapan sekino kundang sekitar teknologi intervention kelas tang one dengan tepat ya ka RBI itu ya ka sorkar bahkan penjam dengan kita di beri angka digital banking nomor kini hukum ke bank ni nilak don kai ai don ka NEFB nilak la ban de ndai hak ko bangi omal perhat ban de ya kan di kai ba dei bi thik ke jong ni ha ban ya in ba di bank ke ka bun ha ka ji bang bangin yo abangi yo ya ka scheduling jangan ni ka bank bangi yo ka terdan schedule bank kejia kun ka basukai banyo dan le ya kanika UPI mangila adon mental hap ya kun firman di lupa di beriu ki jongi antam ke jela ke jongi kin suku ba kin mi khmat ke badon kan no ke jeki bengi yo jung mentai mengi ni hafal perkat ni ka future ya ka lawai ni kun samla ki jongi kun samla ki jongi babun mata ke puli ki timdan hasilong tim trai po jela la jong nama boleh ngimbyang ki kita ki infrastruktur ngimbyang ki buon ki bentang guna pula ko jela jong laring pekat ha Far East dan ki bentang lam ni dan ki bentang sudi kan jom ke Bihar ke West Bengal ini mundan kita ki corporate houses tiba kena samla ki jong ki lak ban trai wal kamjan lu mulai kebun ki kun samla ni ki trai Mumbai Bangalore Madras apa Chennai kita ki bentang gua sipai bai tangsa concentrate ke job concentration kalau betang so kita ki bentang nak samla ki jongi tin kham sangko khamba susu ha ka bai dei patani ka jingi jongi dei nak benta beri yo yaki nam ta ban yaki kulap ning yaki ba jumlah salang jongi im katum ka tepat standar ba kumbo ngone hajana halor gawai kita sin di ba ni omne life saving drops jadi ban ham loka serta kedim gunakan kita GST habro ki GST dan rei hak petrol dan beda adu untuk kita penukam beda ka VAT mo dapat nai na try VAT kita pin di yuk di nak sama ni apa VAT hai apa tinggi terman ba nang ni sakmak dia persang laban trailer di ang ni dan pinangnya turis ibran ka association kimi sakmak dan buon haki department bakero ter tiba nila ban ya trailer ban hilang ban kiulang.
We have an objection for this level laws which the government is up to now. They are trying to scrap those laws which has been given to us in long back with all the fights and all which we have achieved. Now the government is trying to make it in a code form, in food code, which is always against our labor. Like we consider ourselves to be a workman and workmen in that case we say that it is against us. The government should not scrap the labor laws and should not implement this four codes. So we oppose that four codes that government is trying to implement now. See, these strikes are ongoing strike. The government has been trying to impose this law code for long back, but due to regular intervals, all the organization we are trying to always say our opposition to this strike. The government they cannot come up with the proper discussion with our parent bodies, organizations and all. They cannot unilaterally impose this thing. As the strike is all India strike, so here in Meghalaya we are just holding a peaceful demonstration, and we are showing to the public also that demands that we not only for us, some of the demands which we are going for the public as well, because there are in everyday you see there are lots of issues, medical related issues, price rise, all those things are also coming up. So this is not only with one demand, there are 11 demands that we have kept, and among this for us at the same time for the general public also we are having those demands. Here you could see in Shillong we do in a very peaceful way, and we want to pass on the message to the general public also through you. We can also pass on the message that these demands are very much genuine for general public as well as for us at the same time. So this is what we wanted to convey to the government as well to the general public. There are lots of people, they are scattered here and there because there are lots of people who will be trying to violate this strike. What today we are opposing the government. So there are people who are trying to violate those things. So we have given our members some direction that they should spread out and they should stop those people who are trying to violate today's strike. 200 plus numbers here in our CRU as a organization, and non-members are more than 50 plus. So all today we are down, we are on strike. Nobody is working in field. So we will be going on strike throughout the day. Definitely, because see, there are some certain demands like that. Obviously, I have told regarding the labor code that the code the government want to impose. Then we want the government should give us a proper place to work. That 8-hour work, because we don't have any work. Like everybody is in government or in a labor also, they have a work timing, but we don't have any time. There should be a notification. Yeah, there should be a notification that it should be legalized that medical rep and they should have a certain time for their job. It should be a 8-hour work. We always demand to the government as well as to the employer also. From employer, once the notification comes from the government, employer will definitely agree with it. Then there is the price rise. We want the price of the general medicines. It has to be the GST and all. It has to come. The government, we always request to the government or demand to the government that GST should not be there in the life-saving drugs. And the reduction of prices in medicines as well as general commodities, it has to be minimized or it has to be cut down a lot. So these are the demands we put to the government and to our employees overall. So see, our job is to transform the medical related, medicine related information to the doctors. So we need to visit doctors, we need to go to hospitals, we need to, many a times it has been seen that in many hospitals, medical representatives, sometimes they have been obstructed that you are not allowed and all. So this should not happen because it has been permitted to us as per the law also, it has been granted to us that we are allowed to visit doctors, and medicine related issues only medical rep has to pass on to the doctors. So it is a registered job. So suddenly some institutions or some governments impose this thing, it is not done. So this thing has to be taken care of from the government and also. There are demands to central government, 7 demands are there to the central government, 2 to the state government also we are saying, and 2 to the employers as well. So that we get a proper place with job security, proper timing, all those things should be taken care of.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.